Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you 4 different ways to open the control panel on your Windows PC. The control panel is where you can access and change various system settings, so knowing how to open it quickly is essential. Let's get started. The easiest way to open the control panel is to use the built-in Windows search bar. First, click the Windows icon in the bottom left corner, or press the Windows key on your keyboard. This will open the search bar. Next, type Control Panel and click on the Control Panel app result. The Control Panel window will open up, allowing you to access all the system settings. You can also open the Control Panel directly from the Start menu. To do this, click the Windows icon or press the Windows key to open the Start menu. If you are using Windows 11, on the Start menu, locate and click on System Settings. In the Windows System folder, type Control Panel at the search bar and click on Control Panel Result to launch the control panel. The Run command provides a quick way to launch any app or file on your PC. First, press the Windows key +R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Next, type Control and hit Enter. This will immediately launch the control panel. The taskbar search box also lets you search for and open apps. Click inside the taskbar search field next to the Windows icon. Type Control Panel and click the result to open it up. And there you have it, 4 different ways to easily access the control panel on Windows PC. Using the search bar is usually the fastest method, but the Start menu, Run command, and taskbar search all provide quick access as well. Thanks for watching.